Hi, today we're going back to the basics and we're going to work on MyFitnessPal app and how to use it. Hi, welcome back to Figure Out the Rest. I am Sue and I am working today on MyFitnessPal app. It is a free app that can be downloaded to your smartphone. It is great for tracking your calories and activity levels and being able to work toward weight loss. So I had done this originally last year when I first started. And at first I just started by tracking what I ate, just to get an idea of how much calories I was eating. And they have many different ways to track your calories. You can put in the information, you can search for a food. They have so many foods in their computer. And you also can scan the barcode and they'll tell you too. Even all the restaurant foods you can put in and a lot of them will show up. So, and they have serving sizes, you put down the serving size and you just keep a diary. In the olden days, just to sound old here, we used to write it all down like in a notebook and keep track of how many calories we eat. But now with the apps, it makes it so much easier to be able to track your calories. And my goal at first was 2 pounds a week, which left me with 1,260 calories a day to reach that goal, which is a hard goal to do. So I put in 1.5 pounds because you can adjust your goals and it gave me 1,500 calories a day. And if I put in 1 pound a week, it gives me 1,750 calories because you have 3,500 calories equals 1 pound. So if you have how much you are eating regularly and you can shave off 500 calories a day, for those 7 days, you should be able to lose 1 pound. Now, if you're more active, if you're working out and your metabolism is burning more, then you would lose more along the way. And more power to you for doing that, because that's hard to do all the time. So that's where today is, talking about MyFitnessPal app. I'm going to show you the app and show you how to use the basics, and then we'll see. I have to go back to my beginnings, back to tracking and being a little better about it. I had hit my goal, one of my goals, my first goal, and I maintained. I didn't gain, but I haven't lost in a while and I really want to lose more. So I have to go back to MyFitnessPal and be able to track more and work on my activity level so that I can start showing more progress again. But I'll also show you a side-by-side picture of me from 2 years ago to like July. And I can see a little difference in my face, so I can see a difference, but it takes a while. It's not a fast thing. I know there's lots of people who have success stories, and I want to be a success story too, but I'm a work in progress, just like all of us. So here's to MyFitnessPal. So the MyFitnessPal app, you download the app. There's a free version, and then you you sign up, make a login and a password, and then you're ready to go. I was trying to get a good shot of me showing you how the app works on a different phone. So you put your stats in under goals and it gives you a amount you have. So mine is on 1,500 right now, which is 1.5 pounds. And when I want to just add things, I go to diary right here and it shows something. So let's say for breakfast, I want to add a food and I want to add an egg. Put an egg, different ones come up, hard boiled. I do those a lot. You put your serving size in, number of servings right there. Sometimes if you have one, you're having 1 or 2, it tells you, and then you click it, you check it off, and it adds it in. It has breakfast, it has lunch, dinner, snacks, exercise, water, everyth's in there, and it simply counts down on top until you get to, well, 0, sometimes more than 0. I've gone below 0, and it just keeps track of it. And if you're trying to add something, so if I'm trying to add something onto breakfast, I'm going to add food, and here's an example of how to use the little reader. I'm going to allow access. I put it on the barcode of these Nature Valley. Oops. It's giving me notifications. And it comes up Serving size is 2 bars. Number of servings 1. Tells you how many calories it is. It tells you carbs, tells you fat, it tells you proteins. And if I check it off and I put it into my daily outcome, it just takes it off. It has my eggs, it has granola bars, and you just do that every day. And it gives you an idea of how much you're eating, which is good to know. So even when I go over, it's good to know how many I'm eating, because sometimes we don't realize how many calories we actually eat. So this helps you to keep, even if you're not into trying to lose weight, it does help you to keep track of, oh my goodness, how much I'm eating. And there's a lot of empty calories that it helps to keep track of too. So this is really good. It's a really good tool to help you in your journey, even when you're just starting out, even before you even decide to try to lose the weight, and just tracking to see how much do I eat during the day too. It is good for that. And as I restart on my FitnessPal app and tracking those calories and getting more exercise and eating healthier again, I think I'm back to square one, but I'm not, because square one is on the left in October 2018, and we are now in 2020, which is on the right, October also. And I can see the difference in the pictures. I can see the difference in my face. I can see the difference in the scale. I can see a difference in inches also. So it is much different than it was, but more to come. So here's hoping that I can do well with my journey, and hopefully you follow along with me and see how I do. And hopefully you're on a good journey also, and let's see how we can do. And let me know how you're doing on it also. So here's hoping to a good journey toward health. Let me know how you're doing on your journey also. I hope you're finding tips to help you along the way, and let's see how we do on this. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel, and along the way, hopefully you get more tips for ways we can feel better, get healthier, lose weight, and be our best selves. So good luck to all of us. Don't forget to like, subscribe,